As the third named storm this hurricane season, Cristobal moved past Louisiana, and today now the people of New Orleans are feeling its effects with flooded streets and homes along the coast. The city did put out a voluntary evacuation order yesterday afternoon for areas outside the levee system. And the tail of the storm is producing heavy rain, storm surge flooding, tornadoes, and gusty winds.
Yeah, just days into the hurricane season, and it seems busy so far. And Kevin, you were saying that storm's even going to impact us up here.
Yeah, we were talking about that last week, Janice, and here it is almost upon us. Good evening, everybody. We're going to start to see the high clouds from that as we head through the overnight hours into tomorrow. Those high, thin cirrus clouds, and then by probably around 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, south of Grand Rapids, some rain showers are going to start to trickle in here. There could be some thunderstorms in there tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Some of those could be on the strong to possibly severe side. Good evening, everybody. Quiet conditions out in GR right now, but boy, it's warm out there. We're well into the 70s right now, but we don't have the humidity. We had dew point temperatures in the 50s today. That's going to change. I think we launched those dew point temperatures, which is a measure of moisture in the air. The higher the dew point temperature, the stickier it feels. We launched those into the 60s tomorrow. First headline, hot and humid tomorrow. Storms tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Some of those could be strong to severe, all complements of what was Tropical Storm Cristobal, and then cooler by Thursday with highs in the 70s. We have a gale watch out on Lake Michigan for some high waves and some pretty good wind action tomorrow night going into the day on Wednesday, but nothing on radar. You can see the live scan there. We're dry. Dew point temperatures, again, just want to reaffirm what I talked about last night. Dew point temperatures in the 50s. That's a fairly dry air mass for this time of the year. Tomorrow at this time, these are probably going to be about 10 degrees warmer, which means we're going to have a lot more humidity out there as well. Current temperatures, we're in the 70s in all spots, just barely sitting at 70 in Muskegon. And as we pull out to a wider perspective, these are current temperatures now. You can see they're still in the 80s out here over the Midwest and the 60s out here over Minot, North Dakota and Bismarck. That cooler air mass will be in here on Thursday. Look at the high temperatures today. Well into the 90s, 90, 91, 92. This air mass will be over us tomorrow with the increased humidity as well. So that's where we're going. Look at satellite and radar. You see this cloud shield coming all the way up to Chicago and southwest lower Michigan. That is the cloud shield, the beginning of what was Tropical Storm Cristobal. And there, right around and south of St. Louis, the rain, that's going to come up here. We're going to see the cloud shield come in here first tomorrow. We'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy to eventually partly sunny and then mostly cloudy skies. A gradual process to the day as these high thin cirrus clouds come up here. And this rain will probably be up along the border area around dinner time tomorrow. And that'll give us some showers and some thunderstorms. There's a cold front out here producing showers and thunderstorms. Those will kind of collide and commingle and come right over the Great Lakes. Here's the severe weather outlook for tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. We're in the lowest threat category. It's a marginal threat for maybe some wind damage, 60, 65 mile per hour wind. So we'll have to watch that. Some of those storms could be on the strong to possibly severe side because of the rotational value and the speed shear and the directional shear, which is exactly what causes tornadoes with those tropical storm systems. I can't rule out an isolated spin up of a tornado, but it's more of a wind thing than anything else, I believe. Partly cloudy to partly sunny skies, hot, humid, temperatures around 92 tomorrow. It's going to feel a little warmer than that with that increased humidity. With a southeast wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour, that means the lakeshore locations are going to hit 90 as well. These are the Lake Michigan water temperatures. You can see the streamlines. We're going to have a southeast wind, so the lakeshore locations will get up to about 90. Waves 1 to 2 feet in the morning, 2 to 3 feet in the afternoon. The winds build. Gale watch goes into effect tomorrow evening. That'll likely be upgraded to a gale warning with waves building by the evening at about 3 to 5 feet, and they'll get even higher than that tomorrow night into Wednesday. Here's what it looks like on Future Track HD. There's the center of circulation of Cristobal there. There's the cold front. They're going to kind of collide and meet up over the upper Midwest. And there, by the time we get into around the dinner hour, probably some showers, especially south of GR, and there'll be some rain showers. There'll be some thunderstorms in there. This goes into Wednesday morning, probably till about midday. This cold front will come through here on Thursday, and there's cooler air behind this, these dash black lines, a trough of low pressure keeping some cloud cover around on Thursday, and maybe a shower north of Grand Rapids, but then we'll clear out. And as we look at the track of this, if you want to see the actual track of Cristobal here, you can see where this is going to be going. And for some reason, this is not showing. It should show the track. I just played this before the show. It worked beautifully. Went right into Canada. For some reason, that did not update, probably because it may have become extra tropical, and they're no longer going to update that. I want to show you future rainfall from Cristobal. Probably looking like about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, maybe a little bit more in some spots, but that is where we're going here over the next day and a half or so. So 92 tomorrow, 83 on Wednesday, breezy later tomorrow and Tuesday night, windy on Thursday. That's going to really ramp up the waves out there on Lake Michigan. Then we're cooler, 75 on Thursday, maybe an isolated shower on Friday, 72 there, 69 on Saturday, and then we're in the low to mid 70s as we go into the weekend. The weekend actually looks pretty good if you like the cooler, more comfortable temperatures. And on the flip side of that, the overnight lows will fall back into the 40s. So comfortable all the way around. You can get more. Ty Shesky has a story posted on that whole thing regarding the remnants of Cristobal if you go to fox17online.com, guys.